in today's video, we are going to be showing you the MoxieLash team's favorite festival lashes.
Hey, MoxieLash from BIANCA here. I am back, and today I'm going to talk about my favorite festival lash from the festival collection. Now, my favorite lash from the festival collection is the Ruby Lash. This is the lash that I'm wearing right now, and the reason why I love the Ruby Lash is just because it's a statement lash. This lash specifically is red and has a little bit of purple in it, creating a lot of dimension, but the predominant color is red, and red is one of my favorite colors. Another reason why the Ruby Lash is my favorite lash is just because it reminds me of our original Money Lash, which is dramatic and the hairs are evenly distributed, making my eyes not only look amazing but really big. And yes, so those are the reasons why I love the Ruby Lash.
Hi, I'm Anne. You guys most likely know me from our YouTube channel. I make most of our YouTube videos. Choosing my favorite festival lash is actually really difficult for me because I love all of them. I feel like each one of them has their own personality, which is why it makes it so hard to choose. But if I did have to choose, I would say that the Dreamy Lash is definitely my favorite. And the reason for that is because it is subtle. Like, you feel like maybe you're wearing just like regular black lashes, but when you get up close or in the sunlight, they kind of like have a glow to them. And it just is so beautiful. I cannot get enough of them, seriously.
What's up, guys? It's NATT, MoxieLash's social queen, and I wanted to introduce to you my favorite festival lash, the Vibey Lash. As you can see, I'm all about that bronzy glow, and these lashes are amazing because they have a beautiful earth tone to them. I add a little bit of a shimmery green lid with brown crease, and I'm set. The perfect lash.
Hi, you guys. My name is Kendra, and they call me the content queen here at MoxieLash. Obviously, my voice is gone, but I could not miss out on an opportunity to share with you my very favorite festival lash, the Party Lash, which is what I have on right now. What I love about these lashes is that they start out with a black base and then they extend into a really beautiful purple color. That really makes my eye color pop. I have green eyes, and anything that I can do to draw them out is like my favorite thing. So I hope you guys love these lashes as much as I do. I'm gonna be wearing them far beyond festival season. I can tell you that right now.
Yo, it's your girl B, and I am the behind the scenes savage here at MoxieLash. Today I'm gonna talk to you guys a little bit about my favorite festival lash. So I am actually wearing them right now. They are Hippie Lash, and I am obsessed with these bad boys because they are fly. They make me feel super cute and flirty and fun, all the things that I love on my lashes. They literally spice up my look. I love to wear them out. I like to wear them to festivals, any certain type of occasion that I just want to spice up my look. I just throw these little bad boys on. I hope you guys love my Ariana-inspired look.
That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel down below. And we hope you enjoy our brand new festival collection as much as we do. We'll see you in the next video.